What's up guys, so today we have Strawberry Lipstick by Yungblud, and for this song we just have two parts to learn. Two chords with power chords basically, another is open chords, 4 chord progression. So if you just have a look at the structure, I quickly want to finish off this one. We have the verse, pre-chorus, chorus. The verse and the pre-chorus is actually linked, so you can just take it as one part. After the chorus we have another verse, another chorus, actually the verse and pre-chorus, you can just take it as one part. So after the chorus, second chorus, we basically have one instrumental, the solo comes on. So in this video I'm not going to show you the solo obviously, but the background chords which is going on, I'm definitely going to show you. And after that we have the last chorus, and that's it for the song. So let's dive into it. First chord is a D minor, which is mute 0 2 3 1. Open chord A minor mute 0 2 2 1 0. And the next one is a B flat, which is 1 on the A, 3 on the D, G, B, and you got the top E string muted. You can even play F major. You can even play it like this, which is mute 3 3 3 1, and a F major 1 3 3 2 1 1. And then we have two power chord shapes. Now this is definitely very easy. We have our index finger on the first fret of the E string and our pinky on the third fret of the A string. So it looks like that. And make sure that you keep all other string muted. So you got the F over here and you got the 5 of the F over here, and hence the name comes F5. You just bring it over here on the 6th fret. It's a B flat 5 or a A sharp 5. That's it. So 6, 8, 1, 3. Now let me show you the rhythm. So it's basically 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. On the 1 we are doing a down which is a bit louder, and on the 2 we are doing a down which is a bit softer. So it's basically high low high low high low. So we got down 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 down. So on total we have 8 down strokes. So we got 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So that's it for the rhythm, and that goes for the whole song. Now the verse chord progression, it consists of just 2 chords. It will be a F5 and a B5, B flat 5. So we just gonna do 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 on each chord, and just repeat that throughout. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4. Obviously it's played on the electric guitar. That's it. And after that we have the chorus, and the chorus rhythm is equal to that instrumental which is going in the background of the solo. So just have a look. We have 4 chords now. We have a D minor, then an A minor, then a B flat, then an F major, and repeat the same chord progression in this chord. There's nothing much to learn in this song. So just got the chorus, instrumental part, and we have the verse part. So the main thing over here is the rhythm. So make sure you have the rhythm in your mind. It's like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. And that's almost everything for this lesson you need. Make sure to drop me one of these. Subscribe if you haven't yet, because you can check out my channel and see how much I upload videos, what all songs I provide you with. And most of the songs, like this song doesn't have any riff or finger picking stuff, and so otherwise most of my songs I do have the tabs waiting for you guys. So that's it for this lesson, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. So bye.